Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to connect this laptop to an external monitor. So to connect this laptop to the monitor, you'll have to use the HDMI port that is located on the left edge of your laptop right here, if you can see it. So grab an HDMI cable and connect it with this laptop. Next, connect your monitor to the power source first of all, and then connect it with this laptop using a HDMI port on the monitor's on one of the monitor's edges. And the HDMI cable that you use to connect to this laptop. Now, if your monitor doesn't accept HDMI connections, you can use an adapter and it will work just as fine. Now, if you want to change the first of all, once you connect the laptop to the monitor will automatically be detected. And if you want to start projecting to the monitor, use the Windows P, so two keys combination Windows P in order to awake a menu like this. And on this menu you can switch between 4 different options. The PC screen only means that the projection is disabled and you can switch between these 3 if you want to project the screen of your laptop. If you select duplicate, the image of the screen of your laptop will be duplicated onto the monitor, so the monitor will copy basically the image on your screen. The extend option will extend the image to the monitor, so thus 2 screens will become like one big screen for your laptop. And the second screen only option will transmit an image from the monitor to your laptop. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.